3 smallest dogs in the world. Number 3, Boston Terrier. These cute dogs grow up to 18 inches on average, whereas the teacup varieties only grow up to 15 inches. They weigh below 10 pounds and have black and white markings on their skins. The breed is also easy to train. Number 2, Bichon Frise. This little dog breed loves a companionship and mischief. They're widely popular due to their fluffy white coat and black beady eyes. They got popularized in Europe by Italian sailors coming back. The little guys can grow up to 11 inches. Number 1, Chihuahuas. The tiniest of dogs with the biggest of attitudes, this breed is known for its fierce loyalty to their owners. The breed grows to be around 9 inches tall, whereas the teacup species grow up to only 6 inches tall. These are extremely fragile and need supervision.
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more content like this, link in bio.